Good morning, Ninja Kittens. Hello, Hello Kitty Warriors. It's time for Sandy Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings. Look, I got my dragon wings on. They remind me of how to train your dragon wings, is what they remind me of. And I've got a beautiful amethyst necklace on. And I've used it as a choker and a necklace. Oh! And I've got a beautiful butterfly shirt on. So we have a butterfly theme going this morning. Anyways, are you ready to do Sandy Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings? We're going to make noises like dogs and cats and cows and cobras. All right, let's do it together. The first thing we do is we're going to lean back and fly up and look at the sun. Oh. Bend forward, bend forward, bend forward, bend forward, and tickle your toes. Tickle your wingtips. Oh, shit. And we're going to come into lunge pose. Breathe in love. Breathe in light. Breathe in joy. Laugh out love. Breathe in dandelions. Breathe in roses. Breathe in lilacs. Laugh out love. Let's go into high plank. Oh. 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 Let's go into low plank. Oh. Breathe in joy. Breathe in life. Breathe in light. And laugh out love. Oh. Lay on the ground. And when we come up, we're going to be breathing out. And we'll hiss like a cobra. Oh, shit. God. Now it's time for the cat and cow. God. Into downward facing dog. Now we're going to do the poem Fetch from Rainbows and Roller Coasters. Fetch. Life is rough when I'm home alone. I just work at the mailman. But then my human comes home and we run, and pant. My human likes to throw sticks, and I bring them back. We go inside, and I get my ears scratched. We have a howling good time. Into forward lunge. Oh, God. Oh, tickle your toes again. Come up. Tickle your wingtips. And let's fly backwards and take another look at the rainbow of love that we are flying through the universe with. Oh, shit. Oh, God. We are the goddess of love. We are sitting in the sun. We are loving the sun. The sun is loving us today. Thrive on, my ninja kittens. Do your best, be your best. Like and subscribe, but more importantly, give yourself love and thrive today and spread your wings and fly. I really believe that when I do the Sandy Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings, that I'm tapping into something very ancient, very primal, very natural, very wonderful. When my body moves like a cobra and sounds like a dog and a cat and a cow effortlessly, it's because I'm tapping into something much bigger than I am. Thank you for tapping it into it with me. Thrive on, Ninja Kittens. Be your best, do your best, and thrive.